with them. When you wear a pumpkin, you are 100% visible to Ranboo. You just
What a lonely,
here,
what a
you can-
lonely life you guys live.
Yeah, if everyone wears a pumpkin, they could avoid me for weeks, and I would have no idea.
Here, that's strange. Can I see that?
Here, yeah.
Can I see that?
Try it.
Yeah, I mean it has been really cool, just like you know, seeing all your really cool abilities and everything.
Yeah.
But I'm just gonna head off.
Oh, all right. Ah, so how are you doing, Wilbur?
Wilbur, where's your base? Where's the base?
Hey, Ranboo.
Just pretend you're like.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm on my own. I'm on my
Okay,
own.
wow.
Wandering this way.
It's just us two? All right, let me go over here.
Just
Let me
us
follow
two,
you.
hanging out
All
as
right.
a gang.
Man.
We're a gang now.
Me and my pair of golden boots.
Oh, I did just go through the wall.
You did just go through walls. Oh! Well, I guess I'll just mine this tree then.
Guess I'll just log on to the Dream SMP instead.
No one else is online anymore.
Guess I'll just have a little arc.
Guess I'll do a little lore. Oh, boots!
Guess I'll do a little cannon while I'm here.
Guess I'll go visit Dream in prison again.
Okay.
Are you being mean, bro?
I don't know the lore, dude. I don't know the lore.
All right.
Prison.
Oh, I forgot! Okay.
Oh yeah,
gonna-
you're okay.
yeah.
You're fine. Just
We're
there
good.
we
We're
go.
good.
Right.
We're good.
Hey, I'm back.
My
I'm
house.
back.